everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And today I'm going to show you how to do ultraviolet makeup. You will need an ultraviolet eyeshadow palette, an eye contour stick, a makeup sponge to blend in the contour, eyeshadow primer, lipstick. As you can see, I'm using Iced Amethyst lipstick, lip gloss, mascara, an eyeshadow brush to blend in the shadow, a hair tie to prevent your hair from getting into the makeup, and a hair clip. Make sure you tie all your hair back so it doesn't get in your makeup. And you'll also need a makeup mirror. You have to turn it on. It swivels. Alright, let's get started. First, you have to wash your face. First, you put on eye contour like this. Then we dab it on with a sponge to help the contour settle in. And then you put on one thin layer of eyeshadow primer. You only need a little bit, but not too much. And make sure you let it dry completely. And then you open up your ultraviolet eyeshadow palette. And you start with the pink eyeshadow and place it on your eyelids. Just like that. And then you do the same thing on the other eyelid. And then you apply a second coat of the same eyeshadow that you're using. After you had on your pink eyeshadow, put on some purple eyeshadow. And put it on the outer part of your eye. And then you do the same thing on the other eyelid. And then you apply the lighter purple eyeshadow on the inner corners of your eyes. And then you do the same thing on the other eyelid. If you need to, you can apply a second layer of purple eyeshadow to make everything smoother. Once you're done with the eyeshadow, close the palette and clean off your eyeshadow brushes with either a makeup remover wipe or hand soap and clean water. And then you apply brow tint on your eyebrows. You only need a little bit, but not too much, because if you use too much, that could waste a product. Those makeup products cost money. Once you're done with the brow tint, put it away. And then you put on some mascara. And now it's time to put on your lipstick. Make sure you apply lip balm before putting on lipstick. And now it's time to put on lip pink gloss on top of your purple lipstick. If you made any mistakes with your makeup, take one makeup remover wipe. You only need one, but not too much. And carefully clean up the makeup mistakes you made. Good. Okay. And here's the final product. Once you're done, turn off your makeup mirror and clean your makeup brushes. I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes. First, we wet it in some water. Scrub it with hand soap. You can either use liquid hand soap or foamy hand soap. Once you clean off your makeup brush, rinse it under water and you dry it. And then you repeat the same thing with your other makeup brushes if you have them. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. And I hope everyone has a good day.